Kenyans are going big in Zambia's insurance sector.
It's been an amazing experience to be working here in Zambia.
Bringing with them vast experience and expertise.
Most of the countries are trying to attract Kenyans to work in their businesses.
Witness how they're doing it and the possibilities that lie for others in this field.
Opportunities are there, but people to take up these opportunities, they are not enough.
Zambia's insurance sector is on the rise. For the last couple of years, the sector has seen a boom in uptake and growth in operations from multiple players, both local and foreign. And best believe, Kenyans are key players in this. Vincent Ocheng is one such Kenyan. Since arriving in Lusaka 2 years ago, Vincent has not only been able to quickly build a name for himself as an insurance leader, but also a revolutionary in the field. Currently, the insurance and risk management graduate from Egerton University is the general manager at General Alliance Insurance Zambia Limited, a general insurance service provider in Zambia.
I came here in the year 2023, July. The leadership here wanted expertise, someone who can actually streamline the operations. They were having challenges in operations, and they needed someone who could look at reinsurance, claims, underwriting, business acquisition, and finance. So the door came knocking, and I thought it would be a great place for me actually to offer my experience and expertise. And I took up the opportunity to just come and sort of the processes in those areas. The population in Kenya is quite big. We are around 55 million there. Population here is about 22 million. The market there is more developed than here. If I look at the statistics of around 2022 here, I think we have done about 3.5 billion kwacha. Kenya, I think, would be in the region of 40 billion kwacha. If you convert that to Kenya shillings, around 200 million. Basically just general insurance business. So you find that the market there is developed. It's almost 10 times the market here. But population-wise, it's almost double. So it tells you that there are more opportunities here in Zambia for insurance business.
Yes, opportunities here are in plenty, whether in life or general insurance.
The opportunities are definitely there. If I look at the industries that drive the Zambian business, mining is quite active. Zambia also trades with, I think, eight partners. If you look at the companies that surround Zambia, almost 8 of them. So there's a lot of cross-border trade that is happening, and that offers opportunities in the insurance space, for marine insurance, for transport as well. Agriculture is one of the backbone of these economies as well. You know the stories that we had some time back where the government of Kenya wanted actually to partner with the Zambian government to grow maize. There is vast land here. The climate is also favorable for growing maize. In terms of insurance business, the market is quite underdeveloped. Skills gap, if you look at it in terms of skills gap, the market has grown. Opportunities are there, but people to take up these opportunities are not enough.
Sentiments that are echoed by Kikuyu-born Peter Mushai, the CEO of Ebony Reinsurance.
I have been now in Zambia since 2012. I used to work with Aon in Nairobi up to 2012 when they posted me here to their office, where I worked up to the end of October 2016. And when my contract expired, I had the choice of going back to Nairobi, but I felt that I had experience and service to offer to the market here. If I could start on my own, I found that there were opportunities looking at my skills and my experience. So that is why I decided to join Ebony Reinsurance Brokers. Ebony Reinsurance is an insurance broker. An insurance broker arranges insurance for their clients. Let's take, for example, for breweries, for Unilever. They go to a broker. The broker looks at their insurance needs of the client, and they go to an insurance company and they place the insurances with the insurance company. Now, the insurance company will have arranged insurances for very, very many customers and for very huge risks. Take, for example, like the machineries for East African breweries. If there was a risk or a damage or a fire, the huge claim would be so huge. So the insurance companies also get insured so that when there is a claim, they don't have to meet everything from their books. They will pay the claim but recover part of the claim which they will have reinsured from their insurance company. So our role as reinsurance brokers is to arrange the reinsurance for the insurance companies with the reinsurance companies.
Vincent and Peter are prime examples of the need for Kenyan expertise in the region. Expertise that is highly sought after, as evidenced by the mode of recruitment.
The job was through headhunting, through LinkedIn. Somebody reached out to me when they saw that my profile seems to suit the work that is cut out here.
Kenya is ranked as one of the countries where the financial services sector is so matured and the people there are very experienced. So you will find that most of the countries are trying to attract Kenyans to work in their businesses. And I think also in terms of discipline and commitment, what I have come to learn is that the commitment of the Kenyans when given responsibilities is quite attractive in most of the regions.
It is for this reason that not only Kenyans, but also Kenyan companies are setting up shop here. One notable example is Mayfair Insurance, a general insurance titan with presence in 6 African countries.
I moved into Zambia in 2010. I was with Mayfair, the Mayfair Group in Kenya, Nairobi. We started in 2005. In 2010, we moved here into Zambia, and I've been here ever since. So the last 14 years I've been in Zambia. Initially, I was the operations manager, and then I took over as managing director in 2016. So I've been heading the company for the last few years.
Under Mayfair Zambia, Hashit leads a team of over 70 capable men and women.
As Mayfair Insurance, we play in all the sectors. We're in agriculture insurance. We're actually big in agriculture insurance. We are the pioneer of the hybrid index insurance, which covers small-scale farmers against risks such as drought. But we're also in the mining sector. We insure a number of mines on the Copper Belt, which is a mining hub in Zambia. Over and above that, we're also partners with a lot of hotels. We insure a number of hotels. We're also in the hospitality industry. We're also insure a number of government institutions. So we do deal with a lot of government institutions. So we are well spread. So twice a year, we get colleagues from head office come to support us. And this speaks to the regional connections that we have. We benefit, there's the synergies that we actually benefit from operating in various countries, not just Zambia, but head office being in Kenya and also operating in Congo, in Rwanda, Tanzania, Uganda. That in itself also makes us even stronger and improves our geographical footprint as a firm and shows that we're here to stay.
My name is Peter Ngugi. I'm the regional head of ICT in Mayfair Insurance. We call ourselves a Pan-African insurance company. So my work is very simple, just to bring the company to the digital space, ensure that we are reaching to the today customer to tomorrow customer in a very secure way. Currently this week, we are working in Mayfair, Zambia. We have a very nice team here. And one thing about Mayfair is this, we have customers across all the regions. So that is what we call cross-border business. So our work in the digital space tends to ensure that the service you can get in Kenya is the same level of service that you can get in Zambia. So basically that, we want to read in digital space, whether it is in Mayfair, Zambia, whether it is in Mayfair, Rwanda, and have the same kind of standard, have the same kind of experience for our customers. So basically that's why we are here, supporting for a whole week, and then we move to the next. So basically, when we visit, we divide ourselves into two teams. This week currently, I have the regional head of finance and audit. I also have the gentleman who read in reinsurance. He's the regional reinsurance coordinator, and also the legal and claims. Then the next week, we are going to have the head of HR, again for the region. We are going to have the guy who deals with the risk, regional coordinator for risk and compliance, very important, especially the countries we are in.
Yes, the need is there. But for Kenyans here, another pulling factor is the political and social goodwill.
It's been an amazing experience to be working here in Zambia. I mean, the people are very friendly, made a lot of friends in Zambia, and it's been a diverse culture here in Zambia. So it's always been nice to experience something different from the East African community, but it's been very easy to settle in.
Zambia is very nice. People are warm, they are welcoming. I think the food is nice. Other than the weather that sometimes gets extremely warm, I think the rest of the things, they are nice. It's a welcoming place, and I would encourage many people to come and venture here in Zambia as well.
The working environment is very friendly from the legislative aspect, even from the people side. There is no reason for you to feel like you are frustrated, like you don't want to operate in Zambia. No, it's very, very positive working environment.
Since arriving in the land of 72 languages, these Kenyans and titans of insurance have had a positive impact in the sector.
I decided to come here because I believed I had done my best in Kenya, and this offered opportunity to really cascade some of the experiences that I have here and really make a difference. There were very, very clear things that needed to be sorted here in terms of processes, and those are the things that I came to sort out. I think the company was also not doing very well as far as profitability is concerned. We were in a loss position when I came. Currently, I think we turned that around in 2023. We closed with a profit. In 2024, we've actually increased that margin.
We've also grossed over 300 million in the last financial year in terms of GWP. We work with top banks in the country in terms of bank assurance and being pioneers in that space of fostering the bank assurance scheme in the country. So those remain as one of the biggest milestones. Additional to that, we also have a branch on the Copper Belt, which is also a very busy economic hub in terms of where the mines are. It's a mining hub of Zambia.
This story of Kenyan insurance in Zambia is a testament to what can be achieved through dedication and boldness. They do insist that Zambia's national cake is enough for anyone else hungry for peace.
I think most people now, most employers are now going into LinkedIn to get the right candidates, because it's a professional website, it's a professional tool where people showcase their experiences, and I would encourage everyone to make sure that their profile reflects what they do. Many people now go there to get suitable candidates.
I would encourage Kenyans to explore outside Kenya, because what I came to realize that there are opportunities outside Kenya which we may not be aware of. And when I came to Zambia, I came to learn that there are many nationals of different countries, people who have left their countries to come and look opportunities here. And they are very needed because of the expertise they have. So when I look at Kenya and the skills which are available there and the level of unemployment, I find that there are opportunities for Kenyans in all walks of life. So for me, it would be a word of encouragement for my brothers and sisters, especially those who do not have any commitment, serious commitment for them to be back home, to try and explore outside. And not necessarily because we all look for to go to America and to the developed countries. Let us also try to look now in Africa, because you find that our skills will sell more because we are more advanced.
And that's what daring abroad is all about.